Part 3. Introduction. The Amazon forest is one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth, with an estimated 10% of the world's known species residing within its borders. In this article, we will explore the biodiversity of the Amazon forest in depth, including its plant and animal species, the threats to its biodiversity, and the efforts to conserve this vital ecosystem. Plant biodiversity of the Amazon forest. The Amazon forest is home to an estimated 40,000 plant species, including a wide range of trees, shrubs, vines, and herbaceous plants. Many of these plant species are endemic to the region, meaning that they are found nowhere else on Earth. Some of the most iconic plant species of the Amazon forest include the Brazil nut tree, the rubber tree, and the cacao tree. The tree species of the Amazon forest are particularly diverse, with an estimated 16,000 species present in the region. These tree species play a critical role in the ecosystem, providing habitat for a wide range of animal species, contributing to nutrient cycling and carbon sequestration, and regulating the hydrological cycle of the region. Animal biodiversity of the Amazon forest. The animal biodiversity of the Amazon forest is equally impressive, with an estimated 2.5 million insect species, 2,000 bird species, and 427 mammal species present in the region. The Amazon forest is particularly rich in primate species, with 120 species present in the region, including the endangered golden lion tamarin. The Amazon forest is also home to a wide range of reptile and amphibian species, including the anaconda, the black caiman, and the poison dart frog. Many of these species are important indicators of the health of the ecosystem, with declines in their population signaling larger ecological problems. Threats to biodiversity in the Amazon forest. Despite the incredible biodiversity of the Amazon forest, the region is facing a range of threats that are putting its species at risk. Some of the most significant threats include deforestation, climate change, and hunting. Deforestation is one of the most significant threats to biodiversity in the Amazon forest. The region has lost an estimated 17% of its forest cover since the 1970s, largely due to logging, agriculture, and infrastructure development. This loss of habitat is putting many species at risk of extinction, particularly those that are dependent on the forest for their survival. Climate change is also posing a threat to the biodiversity of the Amazon forest. As temperatures rise and rainfall patterns change, many species are struggling to adapt to the changing conditions. Some species are shifting their ranges in response to climate change, while others are at risk of extinction due to changes in their habitat or food sources. Hunting is also a significant threat to the biodiversity of the Amazon forest, particularly for larger mammal species such as the jaguar and the tapir. Hunting can disrupt the balance of the ecosystem by removing important predators or prey species, and can lead to declines in the populations of many species. Conservation efforts in the Amazon forest. Despite the significant threats to biodiversity in the Amazon forest, there are a range of conservation efforts underway to protect this vital ecosystem. Some of the most important efforts include protected area management, sustainable development, and community-based conservation. Protected area management involves the creation and management of national parks, reserves, and other protected areas to protect biodiversity and ecosystem services. The Amazon forest is home to many protected areas, including the Usuni National Park in Ecuador and the Mamirawa Sustainable Development Reserve in Brazil. Sustainable development is another important conservation strategy in the Amazon forest. This approach seeks to balance economic development with conservation goals, by promoting sustainable use of natural resources and minimizing negative impacts on the environment. Examples of sustainable development initiatives in the Amazon forest include agroforestry. If you learn new things in this video, then just like the video. Hey guys, next part very interesting, see more.